If you're planning on bringing your dog to Thailand, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire process of importing a dog into Thailand step by step. From the required documents to what happens at the airport, I've got you covered. Before we dive in, my name is Larry, digital nomad and co-founder of Bodega, a natural and holistic pet wellness store in the USA and in the UAE. My wife and I are currently traveling the world with our dog Milka, and we are very experienced in doing imports and exports to many different countries. But I do have to mention that the rules and regulations can change, so always check with the relevant Thai government authorities for the latest updates. I'll leave some helpful resources linked in the description section below, so make sure you check those out. To bring your pet into Thailand, you will need the following documents: your passport, your pet's vaccination record. Your dog must be vaccinated against rabies, distemper, hepatitis, parvo, leptospirosis, and they also need to have a pet health certificate. This should be issued by a licensed veterinarian within a set time frame before you travel. You will also need a microchip certificate. Your pet must be microchipped and the number must match all documents. Once you have all of these documents, you need to send an email to the port of entry in Thailand, whether that's Bangkok, Phuket, or Chiang Mai. I'll put the email addresses on the screen and in the description section as well. You're gonna wanna make sure that your email includes the pet passport, the pet health certificate, a copy of your passport, and a clear photo of your pet. You'll also need the flight itinerary, the vaccination record, and the microchip certificate as well. Now, here's something important to note. You may not receive a reply to your email. Many people, including myself, have sent these documents and never received any type of confirmation that they received it. Do not worry. Just make sure to print out multiple copies of everything and bring them with you. Do not panic. We arrived at the Bangkok International Airport. Milka, our French bulldog, flew in the cabin with us. After collecting our bags, we went straight to the Thailand Agriculture Quarantine and Inspection section for veterinary officials to review Milka's passport, scan her microchip. Once they did all of that, they issued the import permit and we paid 510 Thai baht for the import permit fee. After this, we had to present the import permit and present Milka to the goods to declare channel for customs officers to check everything. Now here's something that was unexpected. The customs duty varies based on the breed. I could not find any type of set of rules on how they determine this fee, but for our French bulldog, we had to pay 2,000 Thai baht as a one-time customs duty. The good news is that if we ever decide to import Milka into Thailand again, we do not have to pay this fee again as long as we keep the receipt. Something else to know is all of the fees needed to be paid in cash and in Thai baht. If you don't have cash, do not worry. There are ATMs right after you clear the passport control. Also make sure that you check this video up here and also in the description section below on how to prepare your dog for international travel for the most stress-free experience. And that's it. That's everything that you need to know about bringing your dog into Thailand. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to see travel adventures with our dog Milka. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. I will do my best to help. Until then, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.